Insuring a vacant property. Since secondary homes are not usually primary residences, there may be stretches of time where that property is vacant. Since nobody is occupying the property, a vacant home does not need as much coverage as a homeowner's policy, so you will need vacant home insurance. These policies are specifically designed to cover the dwelling and liability risks associated with a vacant home. One major claim concern is vandalism. However, since there is more associated risk due to the property being vacant, you can expect this policy to cost more than a homeowner's policy. If you'd like to learn more about this coverage, check out the article linked in the description of this video. Another scenario would be if your property is vacant due to a renovation. In that case, you would actually need a builder's risk policy. This is an individualized type of property insurance specifically designed for buildings under construction. It covers the property and homeowner from financial loss resulting from damage or loss of the project structure or materials during the course of construction. These policies tend to cost between 1 and 4% of the total cost of construction. If you'd like to learn more about builder's risk insurance, check out the links in the description of this video. Whether it's a vacation getaway spot or an investment property to help generate some extra income, getting a second home can be an exciting milestone. Knowing the key differences between insuring your primary and second home will ensure you're covered no matter what you use it for. If you have any questions or want to learn more about insuring a second home or any of the other insurance topics we discussed in this video, check out our Learning Center on our website. We have tons of articles and videos on a variety of insurance topics. Thank you for watching, and if you found today's video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. We post videos every week breaking down the world of insurance for our viewers. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.